We have been joined by Punjab Agriculture Minister Randeep Singh Nabha. Sir, recently a picture has got viral of a Nihang Sikh with the Union Minister Narendra Singh Tomar. How do you see this, sir? What is your reaction over that, sir?
Ma'am, it's unfortunate that the country is heading towards criticism and negative politics. And I think we are equally, all of us are responsible citizens of this country. And if we encourage a bad element anywhere in the country, ultimately uh, the consequences are borne by the citizens of the country. And this image, which we are supposed to protect worldwide to try and make a country grow economically stabler, I think we need to refrain from such kind of incidents, and also not take credit or not try and break the democracy which our constitution is basically based upon. Because the progress, if a progress of a country is stopped or is deterred by such actions, I think ultimately where we already see there's a huge migration going on in the country for younger generation. Not only are we losing human intellect, but we are also losing huge amount of revenue, which should be within this country. So I condemn this, and it's unfortunate, but anyway, mistakes are made by human beings, and I hope these mistakes are not repeated time after again, so that the country suffers the repercussions.
Sir, farmers are protesting from a very long time against the three farm laws. Punjab government is also supporting their demands. But recently that incident that took place at Singhu border where a person has been killed by the Nihang Sikhs. Do you also condemn that incident, sir?
Ma'am, definitely I condemn any such kind of acts of brutality is against human nature or human psyche. But on the contrary, also I would like to, request through you that, politics aside, country comes first. When we take oath, we are supposed to stand by the nation. So where we act as a deterrent for the growth of the nation, then we should be held under the same laws, and we should be held liable too. So whether it's an applicable case for me as an agriculture minister, or whether it's an applicable case for the union minister and what happened in Lakhimpur, these are sad for the nation, and I think we must all condemn them. And I think in democracy, everybody has a right to raise their voice, and the voice should be heard if it's in the rightful manner. It is for the progress of the country. And these three black laws, farming laws, because I represent Agriculture Department of Punjab, our Chief Minister Charanjit Singh Channi ji is committed. If we need to repeal them again, we will call a special session and they will be repealed in favor of the farmers, because farmers have attributed their lives where our country stands today, strengthened and economically recognizable worldwide, where our prime ministers and the presidents get recognition. If we are going to hurt their sentiments, hurt that community, ultimately a trade is going to fall and our country is going to go down. And I think we've seen these experiences right in our neighborhood, whether it's Pakistan or whether it's Afghanistan. Stability is a necessity for a country to grow.
One last question, sir. As the number of stubble burning cases have been rising, every year we have seen that the air quality index of Delhi got deteriorated because of the stubble burning cases in Punjab and Haryana both. So, is there any strategy being prepared by the Punjab government this year?
I think NGT itself has underlined this year that Punjab stubble burning has been lesser in comparison, 40% lesser to what it was last year. Though I've just taken charge, but I think as the educated people, we are trying to educate them further, because it's harmful for our own process itself, not only for Delhi, it's even harmful for our local residents around that vicinity. So I think stubble burning ultimately will gradually fade away as the incentives by the state governments and government of India will be given to them. Gradually stubble burning, that was the last resort, because farmer felt it was the easiest way. So he was not being educated upon it. And since NGT has come down harshly on it, and I think everybody gradually is going into compliance of NGT orders.
Thank you so much, sir. So this was Punjab government's Agriculture Minister Randeep Singh Nabha, who said that Punjab government is trying to educate the farmers to fade away the stubble burning cases in the state. This is Nyamika Singh reporting from Delhi for ETV Bharat.